Introduction to Henry Ford. Henry Ford, an American industrialist and founder of Ford Motor Company, is renowned as a visionary who revolutionized the automobile industry. His innovative manufacturing techniques, notably the assembly line, transformed car production and made automobiles affordable for the masses. Early life and career. Childhood and education. Henry Ford was born on July 30, 1863, on a farm in Greenfield Township, Michigan. Raised in a farming family, he displayed an early interest in machinery and technology. Despite the rural setting, Ford's upbringing instilled in him a strong work ethic and a passion for innovation. First steps in engineering. Ford's curiosity and ingenuity led him to explore mechanical devices from a young age. Despite minimal formal education, he honed his skills as a mechanic and engineer through hands-on experience. Ford's knack for problem-solving and his intuitive understanding of machinery laid the foundation for his future endeavors. Automobile career beginnings. In 1891, Ford became an engineer with the Edison Illuminating Company, where his interest in internal combustion engines intensified. Inspired by the prospect of self-propelled vehicles, he began experimenting with automobile designs in his spare time. Ford's fascination with automobiles fueled his determination to revolutionize transportation. Founding of Ford Motor Company. Innovations in assembly line production. In 1903, Ford established the Ford Motor Company, aiming to manufacture affordable automobiles for the masses. His vision was to democratize car ownership and make mobility accessible to ordinary Americans. One of Ford's most significant contributions was the introduction of the moving assembly line in 1913. This innovation transformed production methods, drastically reducing the time and cost required to build cars. By streamlining the manufacturing process, Ford was able to produce vehicles at an unprecedented rate, making them more affordable than ever before. Model T in mass production. The introduction of the Model T in 1908 marked a significant milestone for Ford and the automotive industry as a whole. Dubbed the car for the great multitude, the Model T was a breakthrough in terms of affordability, durability, and simplicity. Its robust design and low price made it accessible to the average American family. With the implementation of mass production techniques, Ford achieved unparalleled economies of scale, driving down costs and increasing production efficiency. The Model T became a symbol of progress and prosperity, revolutionizing personal transportation and reshaping American society. Impact on the automotive industry. Revolutionizing car manufacturing. Ford's innovative approach to manufacturing set a new standard for the automotive industry. His emphasis on efficiency and standardization transformed car production from a craft-based process to a streamlined, mechanized operation. The assembly line not only accelerated production but also enabled Ford to meet the growing demand for automobiles. By leveraging mass production techniques, Ford was able to produce vehicles faster and cheaper than his competitors, solidifying his dominance in the market. Fordism and standardization. The principles of Fordism, characterized by mass production, standardization, and high wages, became synonymous with modern industrial manufacturing. Ford's methods not only revolutionized car production but also influenced diverse industries worldwide. His emphasis on efficiency, cost reduction, and worker productivity set a new benchmark for business success. Ford's commitment to standardization ensured consistency and quality across his product line, enhancing customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. The principles of Fordism laid the foundation for modern manufacturing practices, shaping the industrial landscape for decades to come. Business philosophy and principles. $5 workday and profit sharing. In 1914, Ford stunned the business world by introducing a $5 daily wage for his workers, doubling the industry average. This unprecedented move aimed to attract and retain skilled employees while fostering loyalty and productivity. By offering competitive wages and benefits, Ford sought to create a motivated and dedicated workforce. Additionally, Ford implemented profit-sharing schemes, allowing workers to share in the company's success. This innovative approach to compensation helped foster a sense of ownership and camaraderie among employees, driving collective efforts towards shared goals. Focus on efficiency and cost reduction. Ford's relentless focus on efficiency and cost reduction enabled him to offer quality automobiles at affordable prices. By optimizing production processes and minimizing waste, he maximized profitability while passing savings on to consumers. Ford's commitment to continuous improvement and innovation drove innovation across all aspects of his business. From design and manufacturing to marketing and distribution, Ford sought to streamline operations and eliminate inefficiencies. This unwavering dedication to efficiency enabled Ford to maintain a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving market. Challenges and controversies. Labor issues and unionization. Despite his progressive employment practices, Ford faced criticism for his staunch opposition to labor unions. Tensions between Ford and organized labor escalated, culminating in high-profile strikes and labor disputes. Ford's reluctance to negotiate with unions strained relations with his workforce and damaged his reputation among labor activists. Despite these challenges, Ford remained committed to maintaining control over his company's operations and resisting external influence. Anti-Semitism allegations. Ford's publication of anti-Semitic literature, notably The International Jew, tarnished his reputation and sparked controversy. Although he later renounced these views, the allegations continued to overshadow his legacy. Ford's anti-Semitic rhetoric alienated many of his supporters and drew condemnation from religious and community leaders. While Ford's contributions to industry and innovation are widely recognized, his association with anti-Semitism remains a stain on his legacy. In recent years, efforts have been made to reevaluate Ford's legacy and acknowledge the harm caused by his discriminatory beliefs. Legacy and contributions. Widespread adoption of automobiles. Henry Ford's contributions to the automotive industry are immeasurable. His vision of making cars affordable and accessible transformed society, facilitating unprecedented mobility and economic growth. The widespread adoption of automobiles revolutionized transportation, commerce, and leisure activities, shaping the modern world as we know it. Ford's impact on society extends far beyond the automotive industry, influencing urban planning, infrastructure development, and cultural trends. His legacy lives on in the millions of vehicles that bear his name and the countless lives that have been touched by his innovations. Philanthropy and Ford Foundation. In his later years, Ford devoted considerable resources to philanthropic endeavors, including the establishment of the Ford Foundation. Dedicated to promoting social justice and advancing human welfare, the foundation continues to impact lives globally. Through grants, programs, and initiatives, the Ford Foundation addresses pressing issues such as poverty, inequality, and environmental sustainability. Ford's commitment to philanthropy reflects his belief in the power of collective action and the importance of giving back to society. The Ford Foundation's legacy of social responsibility serves as a testament to Ford's enduring influence and commitment to making a positive difference in the world. Conclusion. Henry Ford's pioneering spirit and innovative zeal left an indelible mark on the automotive industry and modern manufacturing. His visionary leadership, coupled with a relentless pursuit of efficiency and affordability, reshaped the world and laid the groundwork for future innovation. Despite facing numerous challenges and controversies, Ford's contributions to industry, technology, and society are undeniable. His legacy continues to inspire generations of entrepreneurs, engineers, and innovators to push the boundaries of what is possible and strive for excellence in all endeavors. FAQs, frequently asked questions. What was Henry Ford's most significant contribution to the automotive industry? 1. Henry Ford's introduction of the assembly line revolutionized car manufacturing, making automobiles affordable for the masses. Did Henry Ford face any controversies during his lifetime? 1. Yes, Ford faced criticism for his opposition to labor unions and allegations of anti-Semitism, which marred his reputation. How did Henry Ford impact the labor market with his $5 workday policy? 1. Ford's $5 workday policy not only attracted skilled workers but also set a new standard for employee compensation and welfare. What is Fordism, and how did it shape modern industrial manufacturing? 1. Fordism refers to mass production, standardization, and high wages, which became synonymous with modern industrial practices, influencing diverse industries worldwide. What is the Ford Foundation, and what is its mission? 1. The Ford Foundation is a philanthropic organization dedicated to promoting social justice and advancing human welfare globally.